Hey kids, let's have some fun with Sportz Village play at home activities.
Today, you will learn to improve your muscular strength. For this activity, you need cardboard, solution tape, marker and scissor. You can perform this activity on your terrace or corridor. Let's begin now. Make a dice using cardboard and marker. Write activity name for each number from 1 to 6 on paper and place it on floor as shown in the video. Roll the dice and do the workouts for 10 repetition. Number 2, perform reverse lunge. Stand upright, with your hands at your hips. Take a large step backward with your right foot. Lower your hips so that left leg becomes parallel to the floor with your right knee positioned directly over your ankle. Roll the dice again. Number 5, perform shuttle run. Run from start to end line, touch the end line and run back to the start line and touch the ground. Repeat this activity for 10 times. Number 1, windmill. Stretch your legs wider than shoulder and touch your inner foot with alternate hand. Number 6, squats. Stretch both the hands forward, lift one leg to chest level, bring down and go to half sitting position. Repeat the same with the other leg. Number 4, lateral leg swing. Holding on to keep your balance, swing your leg out to the side and let it swing back in front of the foot you are standing on. Repeat on the other leg. Number 3, knee hop. Straighten your back and look straight ahead. Maintain this position as you lower your hips toward the floor by bending your legs to 90 degrees. Continue down until your right knee nears the floor, then lift and bring your right knee close to your chest as you hop on the left foot.
Keep practicing. And do watch our next videos.